Hello students, let's start this session in this and how to identify the category of a function. So first of all we discuss the definition. So we know whenever we want to do multiple tasks in a program, then we should divide our program into separate parts. Those separate parts are called functions, and every part will perform a particular defined task. So what is function? Function is a separate part in a program that performs a defined task. So let's create a function with arguments. So whenever we create a function, we use def keyword. After def keyword, we write the function name. So subject marks total is the name of function. So this function will find the total of subject marks. For finding the total of subject marks, it needs subject's marks. So we should provide subject marks to this function. So first we will provide English marks using English argument. ENG is a argument. Then we are providing Hindi marks. Then we are providing math marks. So in this way you can provide number of marks separating by comma. So ENG, Hindi and maths, these are called arguments of the function. So subject marks total is the name of function. It will take in this example 3 arguments to perform its task. So after getting arguments, it will find the total, and result of total will be stored into total variable, and this total will be sent back to calling function, to that place where this function will be called. So how to use this function? For using this function, we have to write its name with 3 values. We should give same number of values as we have taken number of arguments. So our function here, subject marks total round bracket 80, 90, 70. This is a calling statement, and this will pass 3 values to arguments. Let's understand it. First of all, it will send 80 value to ENG argument, then 90 value to Hindi argument, then 70 value to maths argument, and these values must be same as the number of arguments. So we have given 3 values because we have taken 3 arguments. So now 80 has been stored into ENG, 90 has been stored into Hindi, and 70 has been stored into maths argument. And now compiler will calculate the total. Total will be stored into total variable. Then this total has to be sent back to the calling statement. Return total statement will send the total to calling statement. subject marks total round bracket 80, 90, 70. This is a calling statement. This statement will get 240 value, and now this value has to be stored into a variable. So answer variable will contain 240. So now we can print answer variable. So here this yellow highlighted portion is a function with arguments and it is returning a single value. So every function can return a single value. So this function is taking three value. This function is taking three values and returning single answer. So this function needs three values for processing its task. So here this function is taking three values and returning one value. So its category is taking and returning. Its function is taking and returning. This function takes values and return value. So its category is taking and returning. Taking values and returning a single value. A function always returns a single value. So this function is of the category function with arguments and returning value. So you have learnt its category. You have understood now its type of category. So its category is function with arguments and return value. So thanks for this session. Have a nice time. I hope you would have understood this session. Thank you. Stay safe and please subscribe our channel and keep on watching our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.